Good afternoon. Welcome to Teacher Sura channel of Learning Biology. Today we are going to learn Biology Form 1 Introduction to Biology, but we are going specifically to see how microscope work, what is microscope and their function. We are going to see the meaning of microscope, function of microscope and the structure of microscope. Welcome. Before we proceed, you have to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any question. Welcome. Let us start. What is microscope? Microscope, these are instruments which are used to magnify small objects. Instruments which are used to magnify this object. And we have two types of microscope. Number one is electron microscope. Number two is light microscope. Electron microscope, this is a microscope which uses electron. It uses electron to magnify the small object. And this microscope most is used in industries and research centers. Light microscope, this is a microscope that uses light to magnify the small object, and mostly is used in hospital, is used in schools and laboratories. This is light microscope. Let us see the structure of microscope. This is the structure of microscope. You can see number one is eyepiece. From the top, ocular tube, there is a body tube, coarse adjustment knob, fine adjustment knob, and other parts of microscope as you see. We have also rotating nosepiece, objective lens, stage clip, stage, condenser, mirror, the base, and the hinge screws. These are parts of microscope. Now for today, because we are going to deal with function and the meaning of microscope, we are proceeding with function of microscope. Then in another lesson or session, we'll see how this part of microscope work. For today, let us concentrate on the function of microscope. Let us see function of microscope. The first function of microscope is magnification. Magnification is mostly and the main function of microscope, because as we define that microscope is an instrument used to magnify the small object. Now magnification means that to enlarge the small object so that it can be seen clear. Number two, resolving power. Now microscope, it have the function of resolving power, means to separate and distinguish the fine details. For example, you are distinguishing parts of plant cell. You can see those parts and distinguish by using color by the help of light microscope. Number three, observation of microscope. Observation of microorganism. Observation of microorganism. By using microscope, you can able to observe different specimens in the laboratory. Most of schools we observing plant cell, animal cell, and other cells. Thank you. We have learned this function of microscope, the meaning of microscope, and the structure of microscope. Now for more details, we are going to give you another session of how microscope work with their parts. Now subscribe so that you can get this another session of microscope. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.